Hi guys, I'm back with a new video. This is a tutorial. It's about AutoSurf, but this AutoSurf tutorial is mainly for freelancers who are running our AutoSurf in their computers. So when you start AutoSurfing with AlexaMaster, you should unblock your pop-up. This AutoSurf page will open new windows time to time. So if you have blocked pop-ups in your browser, then it will not load those windows. Then you cannot earn points through this AutoSurf. Then first you have to unblock your pop-up in your browser, and also you have to use the latest browsers, Chrome, Safari, Firefox, any browser, but it must be the latest version. So it's another one. And also third one, if you block our opening contents, then we lock you. If you are a new member to AlexaMaster, then you will think, what is this? This means, normally everyone likes saving their bandwidth. AlexaMaster AutoSurf is opening new websites, advertisers websites time to time, and sometimes they will include videos, so it use your bandwidth. Then to save your bandwidth, you might be using adblock plugins. It means you will open our new windows, but your browser will block advertisements, and also there are a lot of whitelist, blacklist plugins. Then you can easily open AutoSurf in your browser, but when the automatic system open a new window, you just block the window and let it run. Then you can earn points, but you are not visiting our advertiser's website. This is a huge problem for our advertiser. So maybe somebody can call this like cheating. Yeah, we can say you are cheating in AlexaMaster AutoSurf. You are making points, you are collecting points by cheating system. So our advertiser get no visits, then it's a big problem. You will think, traditional traffic exchanges, AutoSurf systems, they will let you do this. You can cheat the system, but AlexaMaster has moderators 24/7. They are moderating AlexaMaster system, so they are watching at you when you run an AutoSurf in your computer. They are watching at you. Then they will check whether you are opening our advertiser's website or not. If they caught you, if you are blocking our advertiser's website, then moderator can easily catch you. Then they will block your AutoSurf, or they will block your IP address. The bad thing is they will lock your payout. If you are a freelancer, let's say you are selling your services in AlexaMaster market, and you are watching AlexaMaster videos and earning points through that section, and also you are running your AutoSurf by using a content blocker. When you use content blocker, our moderators will catch you and they will block your whole AlexaMaster account, or they will block your payouts, then you cannot earn money from AlexaMaster. This is a problem. I really don't like blocking payouts, but the rules are rules. I cannot help you. I'm the developer. I built this system. Moderators are moderators because they are employees. They have to do something. They have to protect system. They have to catch cheaters. So they will, what they are going to do, they will block you easily. So this is the warning, a notice from the developer. Do not block any opening window. Do not use any ad blocker plugin in your browser. Don't use caching methods. Don't try to save your bandwidth. If you want to save your bandwidth, don't use AutoSurf. Don't use. If you want to make more points without cheating, and if you want to earn money without doing nothing, like let it run. You just let this page run. It will generate you money automatically. But do not cheat. Don't close opening windows. Don't use bots. I have seen many macros and many bots because developers are smarter. I don't blame them. I don't blame AlexaMaster members. Everyone, the human behavior is, we need money. We want to make money. So everyone likes making money without doing nothing. So they will create a macro. They will create a bot. The reality is, moderators are moderating the system. If they caught you, then they will block your payout, your account. You will lose everything, your time. You are wasting everything because of this simple thing. So it's simple. Don't use AutoSurf if you want to save your bandwidth. If you have unlimited bandwidth and you have computers everywhere in the world, then open this AutoSurf without blocking advertisement and opening pages. You will be fine. And I honestly know, sometimes advertisers are tricky. They are putting adults only website and pop-up openers and also frame breakers, a lot of bad website into system. Our moderators, they have to moderate AutoSurfs and also websites. If you see someone is breaking your AutoSurf, you can complain our staff members directly using support ticket system and also our real-time chat. Complain them. So I will help you. If somebody is breaking your AutoSurf, I will be with you. I will help you, because our staff members, our moderators, they have to look after you and also advertiser. So that's it, guys. I know there are a lot of good members. They are making money since 2013. So I want to help them too. Every time I want to do something for them. So open AutoSurf without blocking anything. You will be safe and you will be making more money every day. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching.